Hi everybody, this is Ryan Bolton coming live from my house. Got a box of 91 tops that I got in a 3 box lot of 91 Donruss, 91 tops, and 91 Bowman. I already did the box of Donruss already, so check out that video. Now I'm gonna do the tops, and then I'm gonna save the Bowman for last because I like that one. I figure save the best one for last. Man, I got a lot of this stuff when I guess when I was young, and one year I was trying to see if I can put sets together of anything, and I was going through this stuff. Man, my eyes got tired looking at all the numbers, trying to see about putting together a set. So I really didn't want to see much of this anymore. But I got rid of a lot of this stuff, so I never knew if I actually had the Mark Whiten air card. So hopefully maybe we'll find one in here, or maybe we'll find a couple Chipper Jones, at least one, hopefully Chipper Jones rookie in this. Nice, maybe to find the Whiten, but we'll see how it goes. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Leave a comment or let me know what you think. There we go. Make it look all nice there. How they do in the card shop. So. Again, I hope you guys are doing well during this terrible time, and hopefully I can keep you guys at least entertained for about a half hour or so, give or take, depending how long the videos take. So there's the gum, and here we go with the first pack. Now I'll turn it over here a little bit. So there's a King Griffey Sr., there's our first draft pick. There's Nolan Ryan. Make sure you guys check out my eBay store page. Got tons of stuff up between baseball, football, a little bit of basketball. There's Omar Vizquel and some wrestling, hockey, of course, and I think that's pretty much it. Maybe a few off stuff, like maybe one or two UFC stuff. So go ahead and check it out. Go Packers 79. And check it out. There's a Phil Plant tee that used to be huge back in the day. Jose Canseco All-Star. So hopefully we can have fun doing this. I love opening packs. Pretty much every video that you see is pretty much I buy for my own money. Stuff I also sell. eBay also helps out buying some stuff, but pretty much everything is out of my own pocket. I don't have anybody subscribe, like sending me money or anything. It's Ricky Henderson. But I got tons more boxes coming in the mail that I got off eBay. So stay tuned for a lot more stuff. There's a record breaker of Carlton Fisk. So, like I said, I got more boxes. If you've seen any of my other videos, I have boxes of 92 Donruss, Series 1 and 2 coming. Hopefully try to get a lead, put a lead or an autograph from one of those boxes. And then I got a 2000 Bowman baseball, because I'm trying to finish up that set. I'm trying to go back and through all the sets that I worked for and try to finish them up. So you might be seeing boxes of sets I'm trying to finish up. Hopefully maybe I can pull those cards. There's John Kruk, Tim Cruz, Alex Fernandez, first draft pick, Greg Vaughn. So yeah, like 91 Bowman. I'm missing a few cards from that set. So hopefully I get those when I open it up. Okay, so hopefully we can get at least one Chipper Jones, and hopefully there's Roger Clemens. Hopefully we can maybe get a Mark Whiten error card. Hatcher, Shane Andrews, first round pick from the Expos. Felix Jose Cup card. All-Star Rookie Cup card. Usually, those are on the second-year cards of players who had a good rookie season. Bob Walk, Tony Phillips, Mark Portugal, or Frank Viola, another Phil Plantier, Jose Canseco. Nah, that card was huge back in the 91, 92 era. I seem to be pulling them left and right now. I think back then I had like 2 upper decks. Star rookies from that guy. Andres Galarraga. The Ron Ventura Cup card. John Franco All-Star. I don't think I've ever pulled any like really hard error card or anything like that in anything I've ever opened. I mean, I pulled recently, like, I don't know how hard it is, but the from 90 Donruss, the John Smoltz card that has Tom Glavine on it. Pulled that one. But like I said, I don't know how hard. The Ken Griffey Jr. All-Star card. Roberto Kelly. I don't know how hard that card is to pull. Oh, there's a Mark Whiten on the back with a gum stain. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Mark Whiten has a gum stain. I'll save that one for later. Because if it has an error and it has the gum stain, ouch. I don't know, I'm like afraid to look. Yeah, let's squeeze off Randy Johnson right in front of him. We'll save him for maybe the end. Julio Franco All-Star. That way, if you guys are watching, it may hopefully make you stay to the end of the break, or at least fast forward to the end, whatever you guys want to do. But Tom's never really thought of it clearly with that gum, because it stains. At least they finally did later when they started putting it in the wrappers and later products. There we go. There's a Chipper Jones rookie. Get some of that. Put him in the background. Johnny Gwynn. And a record breaker. So let's see. Steve Sachs, Ben McDonald, another Andres Galarraga, Rob Ventura. Hopefully, is that David Wells? Yeah, no, it wasn't David Wells. Hopefully, maybe getting another Mark Whiten would be nice. Because, I'm seeing a lot of doubles so far in a lot of these runs. So, hopefully, maybe find another Chipper Jones, maybe another Mark Whiten. Who knows? And like I said, I have no idea. There we go. If that one's an error card or not, we'll find out. Like I said, at the end, at least for that one. Who knows if we come across another one in here. There's a Carlton Fisk, DeLon White. There's a Cal Ripken. John Olerud. John Small. So that was some decent packs if you would have got that back in the day. Another thing I wonder is if there is an error card, is there a possible maybe to get 2 error cards in one box? if they're in the same print run and in the same, because I mean, a lot of these, you see a lot of this, you get 2 or 3 of the same cards sometimes. I think maybe back then that maybe an error card from the same run maybe got in the same box. So there's a chance maybe to pull 2 error cards out of Outlier, out of a box of the Juan Gonzalez. I mean, that's something to think about that I was just thinking about just now, because that is a very common card. So he would think his cards would pop up a lot. I mean, granted, this is a big set, like all tops are. But like I said, you tend to see a lot of doubles and triples. So who knows? Maybe that card back when the error happened, they had a couple in one box. First round pick. I mean, I don't know if that happens. There's Mark Grace. But imagine back in the day before we knew what errors were with that, and some kid or somebody pulled a couple of those error cards out and then just did whatever he wanted with the cards, didn't realize that they'd be valuable. There was an error. There's a John Smoltz. Excuse me. McAfee Field. First round pick. Jay Buhner. Future Stars. Dave Martinez. Because nobody knew what it was, and since this stuff was so overly produced, and eventually when people started realizing that this product really isn't that great for a while, I'm sure people got rid of a lot of their stuff. Wilson Alvarez, Jimmy Key, there's the David Wells, Paul Molitor, John Shelby, Ramon Martinez, Juan Samuel, excuse me, Gary Guy. The dust and the fiber from these cardboard cards seem to get sick in my throat. Plus with all the talking. Excuse me. And it says, hopefully there's no Ryan, no Griffey base yet, and then McGuire, and no Frank Thomas yet, Kevin Brown, and Stanley Alomar with a cup. At least it's on a checklist, the gum staying on that one. Checklist, Ryan Sandberg, All-Star, Edgar Martinez. There's a future star, Greg Colborn. Rafael Palmeiro, Wade Boggs, Dale Murphy. Well, there's the Ken Griffey, just when I started talking about him. So maybe this next pack will have a Frank Thomas in it. I mean, the pictures actually are not bad. It's just I think it's just the material on the cards this year. I don't really think they're that great. Because it looks like on cardboard. Cal Ripken, Record Breaker. Dante Bichette. Vince Coleman, Ray Langford. Okay, it looks like we're about halfway down. Dan Wilson, first round pick. Gary Sheffield. Benny Harris. Jim Gott. Well, so far I got the one Chipper Jones. And we also got one Mark Whiten, but we haven't looked at it yet. So it was on the back of a pack, which does have a gum stain on it. So I put it right there behind the Randy Johnson. There's a Bo Jackson. So we'll find out after the end of the break if it's an error or not. So hopefully you guys are all staying safe. Hope you guys feel better if you were sick, or hopefully getting better. Hopefully my videos can help pass some of the time a little bit. There's Jack McDowell, and along with some of these other breakers out there. Because I know I like watching what people break. Jim Abbott. Daryl Strawberry. I want to try to go back to 90 tops, going for that Frank Thomas. But I know those boxes are going up because other people are trying to break those. There's Ron Gant. Like my two first boxes that I broke on this channel were 90 tops. There's Brady Anderson, Ruben Sierra, Chili Davis, Daryl Strawberry All-Star. So those are the first two boxes I ever broke on my channel. Was 90 tops. J.D. Moyer, Ken Hill, Dave Parker, Cecil Fielder, Will Clark, and Mike Liebethal, rookie, along with the Harold Baines. On the wrong team, he's not on the White Sox there. Walt Weiss. And these are upside down. Nothing too much in that one. Be nice to get like another Chipper Jones, or maybe even another Mark Whiten. Eric card would be nice. Still yet to see the Frank Thomas. Did get the Griffey and an All-Star Griffey. Another checklist. Mickey Telton. Randy Reddy. That's a weird name. I wonder what their parents were thinking. What his parents were thinking to name some of these people, some of these guys, when they already have a weird last name or something, and then they give them a weird first name or something that is close to their last name. Brady Anderson, Sierra again, Kurt Manwaring, Mike Marshall, Dennis Cook. He's actually kind of cracking a smile on this one. You can actually kind of see a little parting between his lips. He doesn't look angry in that one. Some of them he actually looks like he's trying to kill somebody. He's going psycho. Jay Howell, David Stubb, Mike Social All-Star, Dave Winfield with the Angels. So I'm happy so far with at least one Chipper Jones. It'd be nice to get another one. Or a Mark Whiten error card. Todd Zeal, Steve Avery, Ken Cabinetti, Bobby Bonilla All-Star, Scott Radinsky, Steve Sachs, Ben McDonald. Looks like we're almost done. We've got maybe another 6 packs left to go after this one. Going kind of like right through this one, actually. Just a little excited. It's edgy just to see what's in that one. Gary Carter. See what's underneath the Randy Johnson, huh? Jaime Lasorda manager card. Billy Swift, Ron Gann. There's a Future Stars. There's a Barry Bonds. Moises Alou. Paul O'Neill. Chris Sabo. 5 packs left. Kirby Puckett. Derek May. Kenny Rogers. George Bell. Alright, down to the last 4 packs. Oh, never got to look to see who's on the bottom of the box. And let's see. Looks like there's Willie McGee, Eddie Murray, Dave Parker, and Dale Murphy are the players at the bottom. Okay, the last 4 packs here, plus the Whiten that's underneath that card with the Randy Johnson on top. With the gum stain on the back. Just like the Robin Yount that has a gum stain on the back of this one. You got George Brett, record breaker. Tony Risa, manager. There's the Robin Yount with the gum stain on the back. Brian McRae. Ozzie Canseco, Jose Canseco's twin brother. And a Jordy Reed on the back. So in the future, I'm going to be doing some mystery baseball. Right now, I got 4 mystery envelopes over here, if you can see them, that I made of football. I have them up on my eBay. There's one up. There's 40 cards for $11.99, and 1 autograph plus all Gary Sheffield All-Stars, numbered insert cards of all the main players. So be sure to check that out. Let me know if you like it, if you're the one that decides to buy it. And as soon as somebody buys it, I'm going to put up the other one until the 4 of them are gone. And then I want to know how they were. If they were good, like I say, at 40 cards for $11.99, which one of them is autographed, and they're all stars. Numbers and rookies and inserts. Lionel DeShields, Dennis Martinez. I'm going to want to do it to a baseball one too. Get some baseball mystery packs up. When I went to the store today, I bought a whole bunch of envelopes. Because I was getting low on regular envelopes and bigger envelopes. So I can start mailing out more stuff so I don't get low. Because a lot of people are buying stuff on my eBay. Benito Santiago. Well, this is the last pack. And nothing big in the last pack. Alright, guys. Let's see. Okay, it's upside down. So it's hand, if it's an error, is on that side. So let's see. Mark Whiten. Is it the error card? Nope. It's not the error card. His hand is not over the white border. But there's the big gum stain on the back of this one. And then you got Randy Johnson. Alright, well, guys, I hope you liked the video. Got 1 Chipper Jones first draft pick. And one Mark Whiten, but it wasn't the error card. So again, hopefully you liked my videos. Check out my eBay page. Check out the rest of my videos if you haven't looked at them. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications. I'll be posting a lot of stuff. If like I said, just comment below, and have a good rest of your night, day, evening, whatever time you decide to watch this. And I hope you like my content. Again, thanks a lot. Have a good one.